Whoa. That crazy cat said she teleported me to the treasure. Frickin' stupid, Missy. Frickin' stupid! I'm back at my house. Man, this sucks. I wish I could just find the treasure. I wish it was here somewhere. Oh my god, there it is! It's freaking in the ground! Right near my house! Holy crap! And there's actually something in it! Let's go. Alright. Let's go open this in my room. Okay, never mind. Let's go open it somewhere else. Let's go up here. You know, I haven't been up here for a while. Okay. This is a good spot. Okay, let's see if we can open it. Dun, dun. Crap, I need a key! Let's look at this lock in the light. Pretty sure I could improvise something. Put you over here and hide you so nobody sees you. Holy crap, retarded! Hey, this'll work. I'm just telling you people this is a total coincidence. Stab you. Okay. Yeah. Got it. Now, let's see what's in it. Oh, frick. He found the treasure for me. Now I must steal it. Ah! Somehow I did that, I don't know. Whoa! Hey, where's my treasure? Hey, that poison dude stole it. So angry! Catch a tub on my face! I'm gonna find him! Somehow! Ooh-hee-ha-ha-ha. Stupid idiot. I got the treasure. And now, I get it. I let him off. Now, here, I'll use this thing. Stupid flower. Got it. Just open it up. Put it in the light so let's see. What'll I... Fucking 3 cents? Oh, no, I don't have 3 cents. Frickin' 2 cents and a Canadian penny. Frickin' stupid. I don't even want the Canadian. Oh, and look at this. This one's frickin' warped. It's all bent and crap. This was gay. Frick. I wait for this guy to steal from and get the treasure. Frickin' 3 cents, no, 2 cents and a Canadian penny, and one of the pennies is frickin' bent. Technically, it's only worth a frickin' penny. What the hell? Oh, like a penny and a half. You know what? He took my frickin' treasure. Who knows how much was in there? I mean, really? Oh my god, this is so stupid. Now I have to go find the treasure, steal it back from Poison. My God. Well, I might as well try and find him. Well, this sucks. Hey, who's that? Here, you can have your freaking treasure back, okay? Okay? It sucks. I'm telling you, it sucks. You better hate it, okay? Let's all hate you. Look what's in here. Let's use our lockpick over there. Ow, ow, stabbing. Okay. Stupid tripod. Alright. Let's open this. Oh, yay, we actually caught that on camera. What the? Oh, this is the worst freaking treasure ever!